Try Swedish bacon, leaner than...
Take a TV!
It's movie time!
Wine! This place is a pigsty! Wait! A duel to prove our superiority! Choose your weapon!
What a bore. This is the Mega Drive 2, one of the most powerful 16-bit machines ever made. Go on, pig. Make my day.
Here, stop hogging it.
This is the end!
And this is the other end. Mega CD.
So, try Swedish bacon.
Try Mega Drive. That's a real pig.
Mi nombre es Néstor Peña. Yo cultivo un buen café orgánico en las ricas y fértiles laderas de Machu Picchu. Cafedirect paga el precio más justo por nuestros granos de café y ustedes obtienen lo mejor de nuestra cosecha. Wake up and smell good coffee.
Will everyone please take their seats? Very shortly, your row will be divided into units of 3. Do not obstruct the gangways whilst the cages are installed. There is no cause for alarm. These cages are for your protection. Please cooperate with the surgeons. They will remove your teeth and nails. This greatly reduces the incidence of cannibalism. It is in your interest to comply. Eating, sleeping, and defecating may cause some discomfort, but your space allowance complies exactly with government regulations, and you have the satisfaction of knowing that you are part of one of the world's most cost-effective production systems. You have nothing to worry about. This system has been tested on 45 million specimens, with, I might add, your approval. Welcome to the battery.